unlock the secret to hyper-personalized documents, and slash your manual data entry with Pandadoc Variables in under 90 seconds. Let's dive into creating dynamic documents first. When you have your document open in Pandadoc, look for the Variables option. This is your gateway to personalization. Clicking on Variables will open a panel where you can manage all your custom fields. Think of these variables as placeholders that will automatically fill with your client's unique information. You can add new variables by clicking the Add New Variable button. Give your variable a clear name, like client name or project deadline, and choose the appropriate data type, such as text, date, or number. Once your variables are set up, it's time to integrate them into your document. Simply go back to your document editor and type the variable name enclosed in double curly braces, like client company name. Pandadoc is smart. When your client receives this document, these placeholders will magically transform into the specific information you've provided, making your agreement instantly tailored to them. This is where the power truly lies. Imagine sending personalized proposals, contracts, and quotes without ever copying and pasting again. To populate these variables for a specific client, simply go to the Variables section within your active document. You can manually enter the data here, or even import it from integrations. This not only saves you time, but drastically reduces the chance of human error, ensuring your client agreements are always accurate and professional. So, start leveraging Pandadoc Variables today to streamline your workflow, enhance your client experience, and present a truly professional image.